Dear friends, this is People's Advocate Sriman Narayana Malala. I'm coming in front of you to discuss about forex problems and solutions. One of the question is this question. We are talking about this question. Friends, CQS PLC is a C. This question main objective is multiple forex hedging strategies is there. So we want to solve this question. CQS PLC is a UK company that sells goods solely within UK. CQS PLC has recently tried a foreign supplier in Netherlands for the first time and needed to pay £250,000 to the supplier in 6 months' time. You, as financial manager, are concerned that the cost of these supplies may arise in pound sterling terms and has decided to hedge the currency risk of this account payable. The following information has been provided by the company's bank. Spot rate spot rate pound versus CHG. Netherland, the Netherland rupee, Netherland currency to pound currency. 3 months rate spot he given and 6 months forward he given. Money market rates variables he given. £1 sterling interest he given. £1 euros interest rate he given. Assume CQS PLC has no surplus cash at present time. You are required to evaluate whether a money market hedge, a forward market hedge, or a lead payment should be used to hedge the foreign account payable. Assuming Assuming CQS PLC has no surplus cash at the present time, you are required to evaluate whether a money market hedge, a forward market hedge, or a lead payment should be used to hedge the foreign account payable. This is the question, my friends. We'll solve this problem. Number 99. Answer. Or answer. First, working note number 1. Working note number 1. Forward hedge contract. Forward contract hedge. Forward contract hedge. Now, what we are going to do, we'll see, my dear friends. See, question you understand. Question understanding is very important, my friends. Dear friends, understanding the question is very, very important thing. The moment The moment you understand the question, the moment you understand the question, you can easily solve that answer, my dear friend. Let us go to solve the problem. See, first, here two currencies. One is euro, another one is pound. One is euro, another is pound. Another is pound. CQS PLC is a UK company that sells goods solely with UK. CQS PLC has recently tried a foreign supplier in Netherlands for the first time and need to pay 250,000 euros to the supplier in 6 months' time. You, as a financial manager, are concerned that the cost of these supplies may arise in pound sterling terms and has decided to hedge the currency risk of this account payable. The following information has been provided by the company's bank. Spot rate 1 euro per dollar is 1.998 plus or minus 0.002. A 6 months forward rate per euro per dollar, 1 euro per dollar, 1.973, 1 euro per pound, 1.79 plus or minus 0.004. Money market rates available, money market rates available to CQS PLC. 1 year pound sterling interest rate 6.1 to 5.4, and 1 year euro interest rates 4.0 to 3.5. For bid rate 6.1, for ask rate 5.4, for bid rate 4.0, for ask rate 3.5. Assuming CQS PLC has no surplus cash at the present time, you are required to evaluate whether a money market hedge, a forward market hedge, or a lead payment should be used to hedge the foreign account, hedge the foreign account payable. Let us see, understand. We'll go to solve the question, my dear friends. Here, known currency is euro. Here, known currency, known CURRENCY, known currency CURRENCY, known currency is euro. Rupees 250,000. Known currency is euro 250,000. unknown currency అన్నా నమస్తే అన్నా. అన్నా ఇది దాని పేరు అదే అన్న మావు కావాలన్నా. ఎప్పుడు లోపు రమ్మంటా నీ ఇష్టం, లేదు నువ్వు వస్తా ఇచ్చానన్నా ఓకే. ఆఫీస్ తెలుసుగా నీకు, మన ఆఫీస్ ఎక్కడ? ఎక్కడ? ఇండియన్ బ్యాంక్ పక్కతల ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఉందా, ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లో పెంట్ హౌస్ మన ఆఫీసు. ఒకసారి ఆఫీస్కి రా చూద్దు కానీ ఎప్పుడన్నా పని ఉన్నా కానీ. నువ్వు తీసుకురా, రెండు 2 కిలోలు తీసుకురా, అదే ఉంటుంది. 2 రోజులు ఉంటుందిగా. అదే 2 రోజులు ఉండే పని అయితే 2 కిలోలు తీసుకురా అన్న. ఇది తీసుకొని రా, 2 కిలోలు తీసుకొని రా. ఒకసారి ఆఫీస్కి వస్తావా, చూస్తావా? ఇప్పుడు మన దాని పేరు చింత చెట్టు దగ్గర ఎగ్జాక్ట్. చింత చెట్టు గారికి రాగానే నాకు ఫోన్ చేసి వస్తా కిందకి. లేదంటే ఒకసారి మన ఆఫీస్కి రా అన్న చూద్దు కానీ. మనం తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి మన ఆఫీస్ చూస్తే కథ ఎంత. ఎప్పుడైనా ఏదైనా కేసు తెచ్చినా నీకు కమిషన్ కూడా ఇస్తా. లేదా నీకేదైనా ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా ఆఫీస్కి రావాలిగా. ఏమన్నా రాత్రి అయినా ఆఫీస్ బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఉంటుంది మన దగ్గర. ఓకే అన్న, 2 కిలోస్ తీసుకురా అన్న. నీకు ఫోన్ పే వచ్చినా కుట్టేదా? ఓకే అన్న. Dear friends, here what we are going to do with known currency. Unknown currency, unknown currency is unknown currency. Unknown currency is GBP. Unknown currency is GBP. Unknown currency is GBP. Unknown currency is GBP. Friends, what happened here? We should understand that with the known currency, that's called the denominator currency, what we are going to do. The denominator currency, what we are going to do, can understand the issue based upon the question understanding and reading. Foreign supplier in Netherlands for the first time and need to pay 250,000 euros to the supplier in 6 months' time. So I want 250,000 euro. First, I need to pay somebody. What for me source? I need to ask the bank to give me 250,000 euros. Then banker usually apply ask rate. So that's called known currency is equal unknown currency is equal known currency into unknown currency divided by known currency into what we need to do here. Here we need to do ask rate. This is the what the question, my friends. Unknown currency is equal known currency into known currency into unknown currency divided by known currency into ask rate. This is what we are going to do, my dear friends. So here unknown currency is GBP, known currency is equal to 2,50,000 euros into GBP divided by euro. What? GBP divided by euro. This is what my friends. Now we want understand GBP is equal to known currency 2,50,000 into GBP by euro we want. Is there available? Here available euro per GBP. So then we want ask rate, right? Now we will use 1 by bid rate. 1 divided by bid rate. Bid rate. One by bid rate. GBP is equal to 2,50,000 into 1 by GBP by euro by GBP. Euro by GBP anta. That means 1 divided by 1.988. 1 divided by 1.19. Dear friends, 1 divided by 1.975. So 1 divided by 1.975. Okay, friends. 1 divided by 1.975. 1 divided by 1.975. 2,25,000. Sorry. 2,50,000 into 1 divided by 1.975. అంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? మనం 1 by bit rate. Spot rate 1.979 plus or minus 0.004 means forward rate. 6 months forward rate. 6 months forward rate. 4 means in forex. 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 This is the forward rate quoto, a bid and ask spread buy and sell appeal. 1.9979 plus or minus 0.04, the mid spread around the mid rate time. Bid rate 1.979 minus 0.004ని తీసేస్తే వచ్చేది బిట్ రేటు. ఆస్క్ రేట్ వచ్చేసి 1.979 ప్లస్ 0.004 ఈజ్ ద ఆస్క్ రేట్. Okay, understood. Friends, you understand this thing. I would like to tell you what is by spot rate 1.998 plus or minus 0.002. 6 months forward rate, euro per dollar, euro per pound, 1.979 plus or minus 0.004. What is it meant by? What is it meant by means 1.979, 1.979 minus 0.004 is the bit rate. 1.979 plus 0.004 is the ask rate. So for ask rate, we need to add the spread. For bid rate, we need to deduct. For bid rate, we need to deduct. For spread rate, sorry, for bid rate, you need to deduct. For ask rate arriving, we need to add it. In our case, 1 by ask is equal to bid, right? Or bid is equal to 1 by ask. Here in question, ask is equal to 1 by bid. In ask, GBP by euro. But in the direct quote is not available there. They given 1 euro per GBP. Okay, 1 euro per GBP they given. Now, ask GBP by euro is equal to bid euro by GBP. So, because of that stuff, now I would like to tell you that 1 divided by 1.9975. 975 how came? 975 came because అన్నా వచ్చావనా ఒక్క సెకండ్ అన్న వస్తున్నాను ఒక్క సెకండ్